Hi everyone, I'm Kevin Lee, the founder and CEO of Mobilized Construction, and I'm here to share more about the 21st century road monitoring system that we've created to improve road oversight and construction compliance. So what we're doing is we're using this Android smartphone, any one, even the one that you have in your pocket, and if you install it to the top of your windshield and you place it there, it collects data, image data, that then we analyze to evaluate road conditions. We put it into buses, lorries, passenger vans, taxis, any type of vehicle, and once you install it, no driver or passenger interaction is needed, so it's all automated and automatic. We've done this in the UK as well as in Kenya and Uganda with local governments. We collected 5 million images in total, identified about 40,000 defects and hazards, and we're collecting 200,000 images weekly. So what is this 21st century road monitoring system? The first one is Eyesight, where we can remotely monitor and identify street defects using a smartphone and computer vision, like I mentioned. The second is Foresight, where we're predicting when and where future defects will occur based off of historical data. Foresight version 2, which is predicting the defect growth over time from changes in images. Hindsight, which is when we receive a list of road repairs, and we can evaluate the durability quality of that construction before and after that repair, as well as over time. And lastly, it's Oversight, where this app can be installed into any citizen, any individual's phone, and use that to crowdsource data to evaluate areas and roads that are less trafficked. And just a quick talk on Foresight version 2, as you see in the first image on the left, that's a small pothole that grows into a bigger pothole to a bigger one that ultimately sinks deeper. And what we're able to do, since we collect data at scale, passively and automatically, is we can match this and see how potholes are changing over time. Next, I'll run through our platform. If you look by device ID, we can see the number of kilometers driven, the total time of hours, when's the last update, and this just provides metrics of all the data that is being collected. This is all live. And then we have a dashboard where you can view where the vehicles have traveled, as you see in the blue lines. And if you click into any specific region, you can see specific defects and potholes that have been identified. So here's a gully on the left. And if you click further in, you can see additional images. All of this is on an online dashboard. We also have a video player where you can click and then see the images that are being captured. This is a road in Ireland, and the vehicle is driving, and the driver and the passengers don't need to do anything to collect this data. And the real power of what we're doing is in our algorithms. So let me switch over to another video. This is a video of the pothole and object detection. So as this video is playing, and the driver and the vehicle is moving, you can see defects in the little boxes, whether it's small surface deterioration, potholes, manhole covers, surface edge deterioration, all this stuff. We're able to capture it all automatically. So please contact me if you have any other questions. Love to hear more and chat more about how we can bring this to your local community. Thanks so much.